Hello YouTube, today we are back for another episode. Look at this beautiful view. Well, by the time this airs, it'll be tomorrow. Everybody, happy Wednesday. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you for subscribing. Let's go ahead and fill up our fryer. Look at her, nice and clean. She's deep. Look at that. Yeah, you gotta make sure you clean her up, keep her clean. Hit those corners, no matter how deep she is. You gotta make sure you get all these corners. Corners matters, trust me. Keep her clean. She's ready. Those guard right there going to hold your basket together so you don't be all over the place in there. Keep your basket balanced in there. You know what I mean. Here we go. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Just a little bit. Okay. Here's the gushes. Look at that. Here we go. 35 pound. 0 trans fat oil. Look at that. She's taking everything. She's swallowing everything. Look at that. She is taking it, my friend. Look at that. That's a good girl right there. That's a good girl. Yeah. Like I told you guys, if you eat fried food, gotta make sure your oil is clean, your fryer is always clean, and the food get treated and prepped with love, always. Alright, let's get the pipe out. I had that pipe deep in her. Yeah, she was clogged up, but you know me. I'm great in the kitchen. I'm good at connecting pipe to unclog things. Let's go ahead and turn that pilot on, but make sure she's not loose. All screws are tight, because you don't want it to start dripping. Here we go. Yeah, we turn on our pilot. Give her a little pressure. Nothing wrong with a little pressure. She like that. Here we go. Okay, our pilot is on. Make sure no drip. She can get messy. Give her a little second. Yeah, keep her clean. She'll perform better. Look at that. Call me Mr. Clean. You guys can call me Kirby Frigo, aka Mr. Clean. Now she's hot. Let's fire her up. Boom, look at that. Let's turn her on at 350. Don't forget to subscribe. Just like that. She's ready to go all night, my friend. Thank you for watching. See you guys for another episode. Peace.